What to do if your Android device won't download or install apps. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. So if you're not able to download or install any applications from Google Play Store, then I'm going to show you a few ways on how you can fix this issue. The first step is to open up your settings. Now here you want to look for apps, then tap on this option. Now you want to search for Google Play Store. Here you want to tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Now head back, and now you want to find Google Play services from this list. Follow the same process, tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. Now head back. So once you have cleared cache of both Google Play Store and Google Play services, you should be able to download applications. If you're still facing the same issue, then you want to head back to your settings again, then tap on Google Play Store. Now you want to tap on permissions. So if any of these permissions is not allowed, then you simply want to allow it. So make sure that you have granted permissions for everything. Now head back and do the same thing for Google Play services as well. Tap on permissions and simply allow all the permissions. Once you have done that, now you can open up the Play Store app and download whichever application you want, and this issue will be fixed. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.